Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In those settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Apps. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options, like for example Browser app. Now you need to apply the best one for you. I will go with my new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!